So here's my my son's S13. It's been a minute since you guys seen it here on the channel, but it's big time makeover, and it's missing a whole bunch there, but not to worry. But we're gonna get the body painted because that's important. But right now, my son, this car has this hole. It's been there since we bought the car. No idea what it was for. Completely no idea. And so my son made a patch panel for it, but it's a little bit too big. You know, thing needs to be flush. So I'm gonna see if I can trim this janky boy down and get it to not be so big. So what I did, I don't know if you can see the red there, but I put the plug on the inside, in there, up against there, and I took that marker, and so that's pretty much exactly where it needs to be, the hole. So I'm gonna just trim and grind away till I make that, and I'm gonna try to weld that on there. So we'll see. So I chucked it up in the vise. You can see there, and I got these nice 90-degree cutters, and they kind of want to go to an angle, and they got two sides. I got green ones go one way, red ones go the other. So figure out what I need to get this close, and then whatever I can't get, I'll hit it with the the flap disc on the grindy boy there. And also finally got a bottle of gas. So literally the first time I'm going to be doing any significant not significant, any actual welding with gas instead of flux core. Like this machine's literally only done flux core all the years I've owned it. Finally got a bottle of gas, got it hooked up, and yeah, it's gonna be the first actual project. I was kind of doing some tests over here, some dirty steel, some grounded steel, just to see the difference, So get this guy cut up and then get it cleaned up. Focus. Just doesn't want to focus. There you go. So I'll figure it out. Okay, so that's about the best I could do for a circle. It fits now. Fits flush. Yeah, what are you even doing? There you go. Yeah, it's about the best I could do. I ended up just putting the grinder in the vise there, and then just doing the old get it down. Worked out good. That does fit. So now I'm going to put some tape on the back side of that quarter panel and just plop that guy in there, and then do a couple tacks and see what happens. Where's my tape? Okay, so there's the plug I made. Got it taped in. It's not bad. It's really not that bad. Hopefully I don't booger it up when I try to weld it, because that's going to probably be the ugliest thing I've ever done. No, correction, not going to be the ugliest thing I've ever done. It's just going to be another ugly thing that I've done. See what happens. I'd like to find some sandpaper and clean the rust off this guy. I might just send it. Just going to send it. Alright, so that's welded-ish. It looks horrible, and honestly, if I paid somebody to do this and this is what they did, I'd probably be pretty upset, but I'm going to hit it with the flap disc and see what it looks like after that. Oof. Wish me luck. Alright, so it's patched up. Obviously not perfect. You can see there's some imperfections there, but there's no holes. And I don't want to keep grinding on the thing, because you're just making the metal thinner and thinner. So that's I think he can clean that up with some body filler, and he'll be ready to prime the rest of the panel. It'll be good, hopefully. We'll see. Now that's the end of it today. I gotta clean up and go and take a shower because I'm sweaty and disgusting, but you love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See ya.